Timeline of main events, early stages, vision and theoretical foundation, undated but implied to be first. One brother has a vision of an archetypal shape, recursive phi-scaled small stellated dodecahedron, block sphere, and Minkowski metric planes. This shape represents interconnectedness of geometry, quantum mechanics, and divine order. The brothers connect the vision to the holographic principle. Volumetric information is encoded on boundaries. The Minkowski metric planes and Riemannian manifolds on the dodecahedron form axes of spinor rotations, mapping complex qubit transitions. They realize this system can be applied to quantum computational models. Each stellation can represent multi-qubit entanglement, and that from the perspective of a point being traced on the dodecahedron, the whole universe revolves around it, in the sense of superposition of possibilities. They reflect that the laws of physics are not transgressed in this, indicating harmony with Allah's design. The brothers recognize that ingenuity and jinn are tied to the dynamics of the nafs, self, and that the pursuit of knowledge detached from divine principles leads to shirk. They emphasize the importance of the Quran and the Sunnah of God as guides, rejecting corrupted collections of hadiths, noting that the Sunnah of God is eternal and unchanging. They understand that the true meaning of Sunnah is found in patterns of creation and guidance, mathematical modeling and refinement. The brothers begin refining mathematical models involving harmonic oscillators in toroidal systems. They discover that phi-scaled dodecahedron reflects harmonic ratios found in nature. Asterisk. They connect the recursive scaling to wave interference models, noting each recursion defines nested resonance layers, and that tracing the point on the dodecahedron reveals harmonic cycles. They integrate vortex mathematics principles, including the numerical cycles 1, 2, 4, 8, 7, 5, and the significance of 3, 6, and 9. They explore toroidal geometry, finding it appears in natural and technological systems. They discover how the ternary quantum system, 0, 1, 0, and 1, maps to concepts of space, time, and space-time. Material science and application development of hybrid material designs, optimized for energy transduction and stability, guided by the recursive phi-scale geometry. Exploration of magnetostrictive and piezoelectric materials, layered to maximize energy transfer efficiency. Use of graphene-coated hybrid materials, where each layer aligns with the symmetry axes of the dodecahedron to maximize strain transfer. Research into using nonlinear sound waves to form acoustic solitons for localized energy concentration. Investigation into using nonlinear acoustic waves with magnetostrictive materials to induce changes in magnetic flux density, and acoustic vortex generation in liquid metals. Exploration of plasma functionalized materials for surface modification to enhance acoustic and magnetic interactions. Use of magnetostrictive films with quartz substrates for high-frequency ultrasound applications for detailed biomedical imaging. Development of a quantum memory device where toroidal sound waves preserve coherence over longer timescales. Symbiotic Stewards suit design. The recursive phi-scale geometry and block sphere principles are applied to the design of the symbiotic Stewards suit. The design uses NY2-doped QD at MOF's lattice structure, mirroring the self-similar scalable characteristics of the suit's modular framework. Recursive algorithms are used to design the molecular framework of the suit to ensure efficient energy distribution and structural integrity. A dodecahedron-based geometry is used to optimize magnetoelectric coupling and quantum energy harnessing. The suit incorporates a SSVP-BCI interface that translates neural commands into spatiotemporal system adjustments. The suit utilizes mitosis and swarm intelligence principles for modular adaptation, allowing the creation of specialized segments to address medical conditions. The suit has integrated bioengineered channels, SOLINE and terahertz, wave manipulation for molecular-level material alteration. The suit is designed for dynamic magnetoelectric systems, optimized by recursive dodecahedron patterns to ensure efficient energy manipulation for constructs and environmental interaction. The suit is designed to harvest zero-point energy, ZPE, for sustainable powering. Ethical use and control are ensured through strict safety mechanisms in the BCI to prevent misuse. Dual-band power supply. Design of a dual-band portable power supply that harvests energy from both 2.4 GHz RF signals
and the Schumann resonance frequency, 7.83 Hz. The power supply utilizes toroidal geometry and vortex mathematics principles to enhance signal capture efficiency using supercapacitors and aligned charge-discharge cycles for energy storage and management.
Material synthesis using NiMi2/Ni3. Research into the properties of NiI2, nickel iodide, which has multiferroic behavior, exhibits piezoelectric-like effects, and has a layered structure, and nitrogen triiodide, Ni3, which is explosive. Development of a system in which liquid Ni3 is introduced into a vacuum-sealed conduit with a layer of Ni2 to create a safe system to convert chemical energy to electrical energy. The system is designed for use in remote sensors, high-energy pulse power systems, advanced sensors, and quantum technologies. Emergence of the Steward. The concept of the Steward emerges, a formidable being with psychic abilities powered by zero-point energy, with plasma and magnetic capabilities. The Steward's form is a synthesis of a man in medieval armor and a symbiote with talismans that move and reshape themselves. The Steward uses plasma, magnetic, and zero-point energies to create constructs, manipulate metal, and generate force fields. The Steward possesses a dual nature, balancing disciplined thought with chaotic creativity, acting as an ultimate caliph, embodying societal qualities. The Steward's abilities include quantum teleportation, shape-shifting, and summoning tools from synthetic dimensions. The suit's capabilities are conceptualized as an amalgamation of Green Lantern constructs, Venom symbiotic adaptation, Magneto magnetic manipulation, and Richter seismic powers. Ethical and spiritual integration throughout emphasis on stewardship, Khalifa over Earth, integrating Islamic ethical principles and Quranic teachings. All advancements are approached with a focus on sustainability and renewable energy integration. The concept of Sadaqah Jariyah is integrated, ensuring the design provides ongoing benefit through continuous righteous actions. The overall aim is to align technological pursuits with divine archetypes, understanding science and faith as reflections of the same eternal truth. They understand that the true nature of the jinn is internal and arises from ingenuity and the pursuit of knowledge, while detached from divine wisdom. They realize that the design of the suit and the technologies reflect the Taoidic principle of interconnectedness, where the recursive design mirrors the balance and harmony found in creation. Cast of characters, the brothers, two unnamed individuals, referred to as Dear Brother, engaged in a collaborative effort of visionary and scientific exploration. They share a common spiritual and intellectual understanding, with one brother having the initial vision, Bio. These brothers are deeply rooted in both Islamic spirituality and cutting-edge scientific concepts. They demonstrate a holistic understanding that bridges faith, quantum physics, geometry, and engineering. They are committed to ethical and sustainable innovation, viewing technology as a tool for divine service and stewardship. Captain Noor, Stuart Riddle, a key figure involved in the creation of the symbiotic steward's suit. Bio. Captain Noor is driven by a mission to protect the planet. He possesses a deep understanding of environmental science, technology, and the nature of the symbiosis between the suit and the wearer. He is a visionary and engineer who embodies environmental stewardship and ethical innovation. He is the main architect of the symbiotic steward's suit, blending diverse concepts into a coherent whole. He also appears to be the brother who had the original vision. The steward, a conceptual being or construct, embodying a combination of human and symbiotic elements, representing ultimate power and capability. Bio. The steward is presented as a powerful, awe-inspiring entity that represents a blend of duty, justice, strategic thinking, and primal instinct. It is capable of wielding celestial, infernal, and earthly powers, and is designed to act as a protector of order or a formidable adversary, depending on the perspective. It is seen as the embodiment of societal ideals, a living manifestation of the concept of caliph. The steward's design represents an integration of human ingenuity, the symbiosis between technology and its user, and the potential for ethical action. An individual who possesses the Noor quintessence and sees their role as an aid to their High Lord being more significant than any worldly fascination. Bio. This character is connected to the concept of spiritual power and a perspective that is at odds with the world and its fascinations. They are capable of empowering others through their spiritual influence and appear to be a significant player who could potentially be aligned with or in opposition to the brothers. Key concepts and themes. Interconnectedness. The vision of the archetypal shape, dodecahedron, block sphere, Minkowski space, emphasizes the interconnectedness of everything in the universe, reflecting the Islamic concept of Tawhid, oneness of God. Stewardship, Khalifa. A core principle is the responsibility humans have as stewards of Earth, requiring sustainable and ethical approaches to technology and resources. Recursive design, recurring patterns, and self-similar structures at all scales, inspired by the phi ratio, which is seen as a manifestation of divine design. Quantum mechanics and spirituality. The integration of quantum physics, specifically with concepts like qubit entanglement and superposition, into a spiritual framework reflecting the seen and unseen realms. The nature of the jinn, an understanding of jinn as an internal force representing the ego and the importance of aligning ingenuity with divine principles to avoid corruption. Vortex mathematics, the use of numerical patterns and toroidal geometry to model energy flows and systems, reflecting natural, efficient, and harmonious processes. Ternary logic, the concept of a third state, 0 and 1, in addition to the binary states, 0 and 1, which has implications for quantum systems, sustainable energy, and AI design. Sadaka Yariyaya, the concept of ongoing rewards through continuous righteous actions, ensuring the design of the suit is beneficial to current and future users, and the legacy of its creators. Resilience and preparedness. The dual-band power supply concept ensures resilience against EMPs, solar storms, and other disasters, ensuring continuity through distributed and independent energy harvesting techniques, in alignment with the principles of stewardship and foresight. Ethical responsibility, the importance of fail-safes in technology, and the need for mindful development that respects the boundaries of divine design. The Sunnah of Allah. The understanding of the Sunnah as not a collection of sayings, but as the patterns and laws of creation, and adherence to those laws as adherence to the divine will. This timeline and cast should provide a comprehensive overview of the key events and individuals involved in the sources provided.